First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the Android Manager page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare Android Manager installer to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. To transfer movie from Android to Pendrive, link it to your computer, then run the software. Connect your Android device to your computer via USB. The software will quickly recognize your Android device. Once finished, data on your Android device will be displayed by categories in the interface. Click Videos, then you can scroll down to view all the videos on your Android device. Tick off the movie you want to transfer. Click the Export option, choose the linked pendrive to save, then click OK. The chosen videos will be transferred to your pendrive directly. It will take some time, please be patient. Once finished, click OK. You can open your linked pendrive to view the videos transferred from your Android device.